Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to unpackage or unbox a case I purchased for the Xiaomi 15T Pro. It's a Cresee case. It's not the first time we've seen this brand here at Tech Travel Geeks. And go through examining how it works, how I feel about it, and give you a verdict at the end. Now this is just one of the many videos we're doing covering the Xiaomi 15T Pro. If you'd like to see more of our content, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, this is the case I purchased on Amazon. I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase one. But wait for my verdict before doing so. So it's simple packaging, it's pretty generic, there's no actual specifications about the case, apart from the label telling you that it is for the Xiaomi 15T Pro, black, and it says Schwarz, which, if you've seen Spaceballs, I'm pretty sure you understand is black as well. So here is the case itself. It has a bit of polystyrene in it to hold its shape. And I think one of the most important features of this case is that MagSafe-like or Qi2 charging ring and alignments element for using magnetic accessories, which are compatible often with MagSafe and with the Qi2 standard. This is the Xiaomi 15T Pro. If you've seen our unboxing and setup videos, you'll see that it comes with a case in the box, but it doesn't have any alignment magnets, and the Xiaomi 15T Pro does not have any magnets in its own bag. So by adding this case, you add that functionality. Let's slip the phone into the case. It is quite rigid. So there's two tones of plastic, as you can see here. There's the transparent side, and then there's the softer TPU bumper on the sides. The rings are not sticking out. They don't feel any different. They seem to be integrated into the main plastic part. And you can see on the back here that the appropriate cutouts for the 4 camera modules and for the camera flash are as expected. You do get a tiny amount of lift here, so it makes it slightly safer to put your phone down on a surface. You're slightly less likely to have your lenses scratched that way. At the top you can see we don't have any cutouts, but there is a slightly raised, it's slightly thicker at the edges, which is a good thing, because often when you drop your phone, that's where some of the highest amount of impact and force gets transmitted through the phone. So if you have a slightly thicker, more malleable material here, you're likely to have a better protected phone. And at the bottom we have a cutout for the microphone hole, cutout for the USB Type-C port, and that speaker grill at the bottom. And at the side, on the left-hand side, nothing there. And on the right side, this is where all the action happens. So we have volume up, volume down, so a volume rocker here, button extensions, the power button extension, and at the bottom we also have a handy loop for a lanyard. So lots of people use this for a lanyard or a wrist strap. It's just that extra way of keeping your phone safe. And what else do we have? So buttons seem to work as expected. The front doesn't block anything such as the fingerprint scanner, which is good. No stickiness in the power button, as you can see there, it doesn't stick. Let's try the volume rocker. Volume up, volume down, tap, tap. Yeah, it's responsive. It doesn't have any stickiness, which is good to see. And let's just double check some of the build here. Looks okay. So what I'm going to do is now get a MagSafe charger and see how that performs. Okay then, I have my Journey lovely leather MagSafe charger. This is originally made for iPhones, but works fine with my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL with the Pixel Snap functionality. Let's see how it works on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. And you can see that the device immediately starts charging wirelessly, and it sticks to the back nicely. And if you turn it slightly, no different. So very handy if you're just putting your phone down. And you can see we even get a little Xiaomi 15T Pro warning. Wireless charging is less energy efficient than wired charging. No big news there. It is a less efficient way of charging. It is just slightly more convenient. And those magnets with the Journey magnets, strong stuff. I can even hang the phone from the cable. So all good here. I think I'm very, very happy with this Cresee case for the Xiaomi 15T Pro. As usual, I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase this from Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so if you are purchasing from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks that way. Another way to support us is to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop it a like. If you have any questions, do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, thanks for watching and speak to you soon.